Are you tired of back-and-forth emails just to schedule a meeting? Learn how to send a meeting invitation directly from Zoho Mail in under 2 minutes. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through creating an event, adding attendees, setting time, and sending the invite, all from your inbox. Start by clicking Calendar in the left sidebar to open your calendar view. Then, click the New Event button in the upper right corner to begin creating a new event. Now, enter a meeting title so everyone knows what it's about. Next, choose an event type from the drop-down. This helps categorize your event. Go ahead and enter the email addresses of your participants, separating them with commas. Select the start date and time for your meeting. Then, set the end date and time so the event has a clear duration. Now, enter the location or paste a video meeting link if it's a virtual meeting. If you have a specific meeting URL, enter it in the provided field. Select when you'd like to receive a reminder. Choose from the options like 10 minutes before. Then, click Email as the reminder method. In this video, we'll select Email. Click Add Attachment, then browse and select the file you want to attach to the invitation. Once everything looks good, click Save to save the event. Finally, click Send to send the event invitation to all participants. You're all set. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.